Amazon SEO. Here's a tutorial for beginners. Have you ever heard of the advertising triopoly? It's people talking about Google ads, Facebook ads, and Amazon ads. Amazon is a powerhouse that most marketers take for granted, especially when it comes down to SEO. So let's go over how you can optimize your Amazon listings so they can rank higher in Amazon search. But before we begin, you need to understand the two main components of Amazon SEO. The first component is keywords. Are you targeting the right keywords? The ones people are typing in, and when they type those keywords in, will they expect to see your product? If not, those are the wrong keywords. The second thing that you need to understand is sales velocity. The more you sell, and if you're selling at a higher percentage than your competition and at a faster rate, you will rank higher. After all, Amazon gets a cut from every sale you make. So why wouldn't they want to rank the listings higher that outperform the competition? Because it makes them more money. So let's go over your listing in detail and the changes you need to make to rank higher when it comes down to SEO. So tip number one, optimizing your title. Typically, you'll have to include a few things in your title for them to perform well. They are brand, model type and number, product type, size and quantity, power output requirements, color, and design. Now, these may not be all applicable to your title, but a lot of those elements may be. And to get more specific, here are title optimization recommendations directly from Amazon for a few different categories. TV, if you're selling TVs, use brand, model number, plus product type, and then color and pack size. For video games, use brand plus model number if unclear what product is, then product type, and then platform. For betting, use brand plus line/pattern plus thread count plus material plus size plus product type and color. For bath towels, brand plus line/pattern plus material plus product type plus quantity and color. Tableware, brand plus pattern plus product type and amount. Individual pieces of tableware, brand plus pattern plus size plus product type. Now, I can keep going over all these types, but Amazon provides them to you, so I'm not going to bore you with all of them. But as you can see, the more specific you get, the better off you'll do, and use Amazon as examples to help you out because they're telling you what performs the best because they want your listing to perform the best so they make more money. See, Amazon SEO is very different than Google SEO. People click on a Google result that's SEO driven. It's not like Google makes more money unless you have AdSense on your website. And they don't really say, hey, if you have AdSense, let's rank you higher. They do what's best for users. With Amazon SEO, just like their paid ads, if people click on them and they buy, they make more money. So they want to help you rank higher because it helps them make more money. Tip number two, optimize your description. You don't want to rewrite your product description, right? If you just do that, it's not going to do well. A well-crafted product description, though, is one that does not just merely mimic what was written in the product title, but it expands upon it in detail and makes the benefits the focal point of the text. You can also tell a story if you want to take it to another level. Feel free to tell a story of how exactly that product came into existence. And any real-life testimonials could also be helpful here too. You also want to make it readable. Customers on Amazon typically hate reading large chunks of text. So make sure you have a product description that's concise as possible. No one wants to read 2-3 sentences or 5 sentences when it could have just been done in one. Tip number 3, bullets. No one wants to read a lot of text when it comes to bullets. Bullets are a simple way to get your main message across. And here are some tips when crafting bullets. First, outline. It's your job as an entrepreneur or a marketer to make sure bullet points are written differently from your title and description. Focus on your best product attributes within your bullets. Focus on one benefit per bullet point. That way they're easier to read. And be aware of Amazon limits. Amazon product listings have a limit of 200 characters per bullet. Now, this doesn't mean that you have to use 200 characters. Short and to the point wins here. Tip 4, take amazing high quality photos. And one photo isn't enough. The more details your photos have and the higher quality they are, the better off you are. Taking studio quality photos is preferred over just taking photos with your phone. A good example of details in photos is, let's say you're selling a food related product. One of the photos should be the nutrition information, and you bet that nutrition information better be clear and easy to read. Make sure you also take multiple photos with different angles so that way people can see the product in different viewpoints. Tip 5, use popular keywords. You can use tools like Ubersuggest to come up with popular keywords. Go into Ubersuggest and type in any keyword related to what you're selling. For example, let's say if I was selling a product to digital marketing, like a book, I would go to Ubersuggest and type in the word digital marketing. In the left-hand navigation, I would want to click on keyword ideas, and this is where you can find a lot of different keywords. On that page, I want you to click on the different tabs like related, questions, and prepositions. This is where you'll find a lot more keywords. Many of them are based on what people are interested in. This will give you ideas on what to focus on and what not to focus on. Tip 6, focus on reviews. As I mentioned earlier, sales velocity is a big part of your Amazon rankings, and people buy based on reviews. You don't want to cheat the system and create fake reviews, but the more good reviews and real reviews you get, the better off you are. So when people leave a review, read them, take their feedback, and if they're negative, improve your product so that way you improve the reviews over time. This is how you continually get better and better reviews. It's you take people's feedback and you actually fix what they're complaining about. Now, if you want more reviews early on, you can always give a discount on your product to get more purchases, which helps you get more reviews of your product. If you need help with your Amazon SEO or Amazon paid ad management, check out my ad agency, NP Digital, where we help companies with this. If you just enjoy this, like it, share it, tell people about it. Thank you for being here, and thank you for watching.